Hello to all my dear aspirants. Welcome you to Sail to MDS Dental Academy. I am Dr. Malay Trivedi, pediatric dentist and assistant professor in College of Dental Sciences. So aspirants, you can see this picture. When we start preparing for our NEET or AIIMS exam, that is for our MDS dream, we see all these things: success, fame, money, everything. If we achieve this, definitely we are going to get. Few people may tell you that don't do MDS, it is not going to help you. You see MDS are going here and there and many people are doing MDS, but it is completely wrong. See, if you do from the good college, good government college or good private college, you are getting worth, you are getting what you want. But if you do from not so good college, the MDS is of no use. So aspirants, once again I am telling, dream yourself in the top 500 of the NEET examination. So if you do the MDS, it will be fruitful to you and to your life. So aspirants, in this video I am going to talk about three important things, that is type of NEET and AIIMS aspirants. So you should know where you fall and what you have to be. Second, we are going to talk about how I am teaching to my students. And at the end, we have a small announcement regarding our new revision patch series. So aspirants, we have three type of NEET student. The first category of student is that those who are studying, maximum. They are studying each and every subject in excessive depth. For them, it is not the NEET exam. They are going to study each subject like they are doing MDS. They want to study in so much depth that at the end they will become confused what to revise, what not to revise. Okay. Then second category of student aspirants we have is that they are studying very less. They just study their Pulse or the Gauri Shankar. They study only MCQ book. For them also, their journey of NEET will be difficult because they will not be in the top 1000. So aspirants, I want my student to fall in the third category. So this type of students will keep the balance between the MCQ books also and textbook reference also. They are not going to study so much in depth, but they are going to study in a relevant manner. And these students are only there who are going to be in top 300 and 500 of the NEET examination, because they know what to do at the right time, how to revise, how much to revise. So these students are going to get success. Fine aspirants, so what is the best way of study? Few people will tell do smart work, few will tell do hard work. I tell keep combo of both of them. Do hard work in smarter way, and that's the key for the success in NEET and AIIMS examination. So friends, how my academy teach? So we have a good team and we follow four things. That's we believe in concept based reading. We don't tell the student just to mug up the MCQ book, but we provide them the concept which help them to solve n number of MCQ. We provide them latest exam pattern, provide them the latest papers, practice papers that help to to master the MCQ, to master their thinking capacity. We have online lecture format and online exams. Then aspirants, there is a lot of debate over lecture format. Some of the people will tell you that just study for pure online. Few of them are going to teach you in the WhatsApp based, but I keep the combo of both. What happened when you go for pure online? You can access the lecture once only. The time bounding will be there, and the lectures will be so much long that it will be difficult for you to go for the quick revision or the specific topic revision, and you need to write notes, and internet connectivity is also mandatory. But in WhatsApp based lecture we have few advantages, that even if you miss the lecture, you can save in your mobile and you can access at any time, anywhere, at your own will. And during revision it becomes very handy. You can study specific topic, you can revise the subjects quickly. So we have combo of both online virtual WhatsApp lecture plus pure online lecture. For pure online lecture we have for the image based and doubt solving concept. Let's see format once again. In pure virtual WhatsApp lecture I am going to provide you image, highlight text and voice notes along with explanatory videos. And for pure online we have the live interaction for your doubt solving. We have a live interaction for the image based questions. So in that manner you can boost up your preparation. Fine aspirants, so we have the new batch coming in which there are around 50 lectures, 3 to 4 lectures per subject, And remember aspirants, I'm not going to take all the 7 days of your week, but I will teach you in the alternate fashion. Why? Because you should get your own time to re-evaluate what you are doing. Then we have around 50 to 60 NEET and AIIMS pattern exam along with past papers. My personal interaction will be there. We are going to provide you assessment form every month, so I can see how much you are preparing and how much work hard more you have to do. We have notes for the important topics and doubt solving session and many more things aspirants. So exam we are going to conduct in the NB format. Online software is there. Subject wise exam we have the NEET and AIIMS exam of 240 questions, then progressive unit test at every end of the month, and then we have the special provision for teaching physiology, pharmacology and medicine. I'm going to teach them system wise, so you can able to relate, integrate and remember them. I'm not going to teach you just 7 days physio, 7 days pharma. No, we are going to deal systemized like CVS, physiopharmac medicine, CNS, physiopharmac medicine, so you can relate. That can be helpful to you in your case based question, plus separate exam for them. Then we have a separate practice question which will be for 25 to 30 questions, which you can practice at your will. In that, good NB questions will be there, so that will be a brainstorming that will exercise your brain. And we have numerical based exam also and image based exam also. So friends, if you want to join or any other help you want, you can contact me. My number is there. You can check out our website also, and there also I'll be available 24 hours, or you can mail me. And you can check out our YouTube channel. A lot of playlists are there for each and every subject. You can check how I'm teaching, and you can check out our lecture format also. So friends, please work hard. You know your goal, that your NEET or AIIMS MDS, and you have to achieve. And for that, be the category of student who keep the balance between the reference textbook as well as MCQ. Till then, take care. Any doubt, let me know.